Alright guys, here we are on what I have been told is the largest Snap-on truck on the East Coast. I've got my back up against the wall. It goes quite a ways. These are just the weekly specials and stuff. Ethos Edge. These are the gripping pliers. These things are awesome. I highly recommend those. They're very handy. Got the knife display. Lots of cool knives. I've bought a lot of knives from Mike over the years. Here's that new long flex head ratchet. I got one of these a couple weeks ago. Love it. There you go. And here's all his other ratchets, all lined up nice. There's all the 1/4 inchers down here. There's a ton of stuff on here, guys. Got pliers. All kinds of stuff in the ceiling, of course. Some hose block off pliers. I've got a couple sets of these. These are real nice. There's a part number there. And those big ones, they're handy for blocking off radiator hoses and stuff. They work real nice. Got the TV for watching videos. Hey, there's me. Oodles of hammers. He's got these new fans for sale. Pretty cool. Well, let's see if we can get this whole toolbox in here. Double bank. I like that color scheme. The hutch, light it up. Got the industrial finish ratchets. Those are pretty cool. It's different socket sets, punches, extensions. More stuff in the toolbox. Axle popper. Those are nice. Now all these drawers in here, they slide out. It's got all kinds of stuff. Wrenches. All of his used stuff. Ooh, I might have to talk to him about these hexes here. I need to pick some of them up. Ooh, all this 14.4 stuff. Got this Sawzall a while back. That works really great. Nice and compact. Cuts exhaust pipes, suspension bolts that are stuck in bushing, stuff like that. That's what I use that for. More used stuff. Third drawer, used stuff. It's just got so much stuff in here, guys. Yeah, this truck's so big. Yes, he actually had to get a CDL license to drive it. It's got these cool little shelves that slide out. Oof. Hold odds and ends. All these just, I'm sure he knows exactly what he's got in here. He can just come slide it out, get what he needs, pull it back out. Got another toolbox back here. Jeez. So he's got two big toolboxes on here, and there's still got three toolboxes on here. There's that fan. What does that say? 29 degrees Celsius. Oh, there it is. 84 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Cut off wheel. Electric. Nice. All the sockets. Display for scanners. All the air tools over here. I'm not really much of an air tool guy anymore. I've kind of switched all to electric. I know some of you guys probably aren't too keen on the electric stuff, but someday you'll see the light. It's got an AC machine on here. Deal. More fans. Let's take a look from the other end of the truck. Take a walk all the way to the other end. It's got a little fridge for you want to buy a drink while you're on the truck. Microwave, that's probably for his lunch more than anything, maybe. There's the weekly flyers. And you got all the screwdrivers, wrenches. There's so much stuff on here, guys. All right, any questions, comments? You know where to leave them. All right, see you guys.